Have you ever done a whole bunch of math by hand only to realize that Python could have done it for you in like 0.003 seconds? Yeah, same. In the previous section, we calculated our linear regression by hand. We found out the slope m and the intercept k. And honestly, you deserve a trophy for this level of patience. So here's the twist. What if I told you there's a shortcut? No, really, there is a shortcut. And I'm talking about how a machine learning engineer would tackle this problem. Because in the real world, no one would sit down with a pen and paper to calculate linear regression. They'd just sit back and let Python do the heavy lifting for them while they enjoy a cup of tea. Shall we? All right, let me walk you through this code as we go, nice and easy. For my first line, I'm importing OLS from Statsmodel. OLS just stands for ordinary least squares, which is the tool that helps us fit a straight line onto our data. For my next line, I will tell Python exactly what I want to model. And this formula right here means that I'm trying to predict happiness using life expectancy. Data is equals to df here tells Python which data frame to use. And then I will lastly add .fit, where Statsmodel will actually run the regression. And all the heavy lifting that I was talking about earlier, this is where it will happen in the background. On to our next line, which is printing the results. And we expect two values, the intercept k and the slope m. And if we did everything correctly, they should be the same numbers as the ones we calculated manually, which means everything should check out. So let's just run this cell and see what we get. Voila! The same results that we calculated earlier on is what we're getting through using Statsmodel. So yes, the math is important to know what's going on under the hood, but once you understand what's happening, let Python do the work for you. See you in the next one.